Yeah, Salamander Bay. Yeah, basically this is the industrial area. As you can see in here, there's this kind of mill for construction. And I actually went to this Sparks on the Go with Mr. Steve. Mr. Steve is the auto electrician. So basically he already fixed this one. Yeah, he said that everything was good, it's just the battery is totally flat. Like what I've said, because of the previous weeks that has been rainy and cloudy, but despite of no enough energy, I still keep on using the microwave. That's why now it's all good. Actually this week also again is like this, cloudy and rainy. And so what he did today is he charged it. I actually been here since 8 o'clock and it is already 2:09. Yeah, I actually been to different restaurant, actually 3 restaurant. First I had the breakfast in one of the coffee shop. I had the long block and a donut, and then in the restaurant I had the bacon and egg roll, and then another restaurant for lunch I had the pork, crispy pork and rice. And then coming up here, I'm having this coffee from Pirates Coffee. Pirates Coffee, this is local of Port Stephen. Yeah, they're the one who brewed the coffee. What? Something like that. They made the coffee, what? Yeah, something, but original here. And that repair cost me $147. Yo, good day everyone. Oh, good afternoon. Yeah, today I work from 6 o'clock. And what's that? The bottoms. Yeah, I work from 6 o'clock and I finish at 2 o'clock. It is already 2:41. Yeah, I come straight here to do the laundry. And when I'm washing, I separate the white and yeah, I am the only one using at the moment. It is actually very busy here at the moment. When I was leaving the car, one of the cars saw me. Yeah, they thought that I am going to the car to leave. They want to take over the space. Yeah, today is Holy Saturday. Is that Holy Saturday? Yeah, yesterday was Black Friday. And tomorrow is Easter Sunday. And there's a kind of market today here. I'm actually tempted to eat, but yeah, we're going to browse first all the way to the other side. Yeah, most of the things they are clothing actually, like this. Accessories. We reached the other end and we're going back. Yeah, you see those ferry. Yeah, carrying a lot of people, tourists of course. Yeah, and I'm actually finding the time not to be seen by the driver. Yeah, because they will think that I am going to leave and they will take over the parking. Yeah, just like these people. I mean these cars. They are driving slowly because no vacant space at the moment. They don't know that I am going to stay here in the car. I am actually parked just here at the back of this food stalls, and I'm tempted to eat. Yeah, this one is actually Vietnamese food. Spring roll, some dumplings, salad. Yeah, these are breads and kind of Arabic, no, Turkish kind of food. There is gluten-free donut, and there's so many options. Yeah. Actually, let's go. Actually, we buy later because I have 5 minutes for my laundry to put in the dryer. Yeah, so yeah, you see, lots of people. Okay, my timer just now. And the dryer will work for 45 minutes. Oh, I don't know if they are open, but there is actually a new Filipino store here. Yeah, and they also have Filipino food. Yeah, takeaway. We'll go there. But the price is actually similar to the regular restaurant. They just opened last week. I don't know if they are still open. I mean, yeah, it's open. It says there. JT's Asian Grocery. Yeah, they are actually open from 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. Yeah, very nice. And this is what I got. This is palabok. Basically, yeah, rice noodles with the palabok sauce. Like a seafood sauce. Actually, shrimp sauce. Yeah. I will show you when I get to the bun. I did not record inside because I am shy. And actually, it's a big, yeah, they have a lot of choices. Lots of products. Yeah, next time when I have the courage, I will record the store. There is this car. And I think what is this doing is recording. Yeah, it has a lot of camera. You see on the roof, it has a lot of camera that is recording all the the plate numbers. Yeah, the vehicles that is parked, because there is a time limit in every car park. Yeah, we are finally now here in the car. Oh, I'm actually hiding from the drivers. Yeah, because they will think that I am going to leave. I'm actually going to stay here in the car. So this is how it is. This $14.50. Yeah, palabok. Let me reheat this first. This is one of my favorite Filipino food. Yeah. Basically, it's a noodles with a kind of shrimp sauce. So it comes with egg and some pork meat. And we are now here. Yeah, there's actually a lot of people here. It is already 4:42. Yeah, I finished my laundry, but it's not yet organized on my bun. Yeah, still in the bag. Yeah, lots of people over there. They are fishing, swimming, walking their dog. The sun just set over there and it's beautiful, but the time is actually still early, 5:49. Yeah, dark already at this side. And now I am going to the shopping center. Yeah, I'm going to buy what? Yeah, I'm going to buy something. Maybe water. I am going to that return and earn. I have some bottles in here. Yeah, I was able to put the bottles. One still has full of water. Yo, good day everyone. Yeah, we are here at the park. Yeah, today I work from 6 o'clock and I finish at 2 o'clock. We are busy. We did 190 because it's a holiday. Yeah, Holy Week. Yeah, actually today is Easter Monday, and so holiday here in Australia, and people are just around everywhere. Lots of cars in here parks, and there is one Tesla gray. Yeah, lots of people, picnic, family together. There is one guy over there. He is going to cook. Yep, maybe he is a traveler. His car is over there, a four-wheel drive. And if you can see on the side mirror, yeah, there is one Suzuki Jimny. And they actually approached the guy, telling that, asking if he likes this. Actually, usually, when I am approaching people with the Suzuki Jimny, the first word that comes out is, "Good afternoon, I would like to give this to you." Yeah, something like that. Yeah, and everyone, all of them, they accept it. Yeah, no hesitation, they are happy. But this guy, when I approached him, I said, "Good afternoon, sir. Do you want this one? This keyhole cover for your Suzuki Jimny?" Yeah, I asked him like that. So probably, he found me suspicious, something like that. Yeah, this is the first rejection that I got. The reaction that I got from the people I am giving this. Yeah, like what I've said, I have a lot of this Suzuki Jimny keyhole cover. Yeah, and I like it. Rejection, I like it actually. Yeah, it depends it depends on the rejection, but this rejection, I like this experience. Yeah, I actually want to do more of rejection kind of therapy, rejection therapy. If you happen to be here in the Bay Area, you just message me and I will give this to you for free. Yeah, I'm actually just the guy also has a burner. Why he did not cook there? Actually, I never experienced a lot of rejection because I avoid to be rejected. And this is how it is here. Yeah, there are lots of people all the way to the other side. The time now is already 4:28 and the sunset will be later, before 6 o'clock. Yeah, some people fishing over there, family camping in here, and of course lots of cars. Yeah, it's really good to park your car in front of the beach or even near the beach. Yeah, very relaxing. Yeah, you don't really experience these things in the city or in other countries. just here actually, and I'm editing a video, but there are more people this time than earlier. Yeah, because yeah, they watched the sunset. Yeah, the sun just got down over there, and yeah, lots of people. And the guy that was cooking a while ago earlier, he is having his dinner now. Very nice. Yeah, the over there, that one. Yeah, he is a traveler, and I would say that guy is very lucky to be able to get here in these parts of Australia, because it's beautiful here. Yeah, actually, I don't know, it's maybe because I feel at home here, but yeah, I feel like this is one of the most beautiful place around Australia. Yeah, for sure there is already kind of a heart attachment to the place. That's why I feel that way, because I've also seen a lot of beautiful place.